Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the last week of the session. This week you have one assignment. It is a case analysis where you can incorporate all of the concepts that we've learned about this semester. The case is taking a look at WeWork and its leader, Adam Neumann. So here is a PDF of the case. It's actually one that I wrote with a colleague. And then also the specific assignment, which has the wrong date, but it's actually the right assignment. So let me see if I can go to the next page where you can take a look at it. So this case gives you an opportunity to apply what you've been learning about to a real situation, which hopefully is what you have been doing and what you will be doing moving forward. So we've got the case that we wrote, there's several videos, and you can look up and find, I think there's actually a movie or two now about the rise and fall of WeWork. So lots of different resources here that you can look at, but basically here are the questions for you to review. Evaluate Adam Neumann's leadership. Would you consider him ethical or effective? What were the consequences for the stakeholder groups of his behavior? What recommendations would you have for the new CEO, at least the one at the time of the case? And then how would you assess and measure the changes that you recommend? So let me know if you have any questions and have a good week. You're almost done.